This is part 2 of going over quiz 11.1, 11.3. Let's get to problem number 6. They just want the area of a triangle. Hey, the easiest way to do area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. What do they already give us? Yeah, they give us the base. It's 14. What do we need? We need the height. Here it comes. Okay, we've done this problem a lot of times. What does the height do? Yeah, it splits that 14 in half. It also, you've got an equilateral triangle. So you've got here, you got 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. What does the height do to the 60 up top? It splits it. Hey, here's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at just that. I want to get that height. If you want to, hey, no problem, do Pythagorean theorem. 8 squared plus 7 squared equals 14 squared. That's a great way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my short leg, which is the 7. It's opposite the 30 degrees. I'm going to take the 7 and multiply it by root 3. Here it is. The short leg times root 3 gives me the long leg. Let's do it in our calc right now. 7 root 3. 7 root 3. There it is, 12, 12. Okay, 12, 12. Great, I'm ready to plug it all in. Here it is, 1/2. Now remember, I want the whole base. Why? Because I want the whole triangle. So give me the whole base, which is 14, times the height, 12, 12. Here it is, area of our triangle. Let's do it, 1/2, 14 times 12, 12. We got 1/2 times 14 times 12, 12. 1/2 base times height. There it is, 84, 84. That looks good. Okay, 84, 84. Let's put our answer. Now let's stop and look for units. It is area. Well, the lengths were in centimeters, so the area, centimeters squared. Okay, let's go 7. Okay, on 7, what did they give us? They give us a side length. Every side is 10. Okay. Well, what's the first thing they want? Okay, they want the central angle. Let's do that. From the center, here we go. We can do that. It's pretty easy. Here we go. Okay. Hey, I see a circle in the center. I see 360 degrees. We're breaking it into 6 equal parts. There it is. Each one of those central angles is 60 degrees. Okay, so let's put that first. There we go, 60 degrees. How about perimeter? Oh, that's easy. Hey, there are 6 sides. Each one is 10, 60. 60 what? It's a perimeter. Yeah, just centimeters. Okay, area. What do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to do area of a regular polygon is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. I have the perimeter. I need the apothem. Here it is. Here comes the apothem. That's the apothem right there. There it is. Hey, what does it do to that 10? It splits it 5 and 5. What does it do to the 60? Oh, it splits it 30 and 30. Here's the little triangle I'm looking at right now, that yellow triangle. Hey, if you want to do trig, that's fine. You could set it maybe tangent. You could set it up tangent of 30 degrees equals opposite 5 over the adjacent apothem A. You could do that. Or 30, 60, 90. I've got the short leg opposite the 30. I want the long leg opposite the 60. See, that yellow triangle's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. It only happens in a hexagon that you get that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take the 5 and I'm going to multiply it by root 3, just like I did on the last problem up there. Okay, let's get a decimal for that. 5 root 3. Okay, 5 root 3. 866. There it is, 866. Let's plug everything in. We got it. 1/2, the apothem, 8 66. The perimeter, 60. There it is. 1/2 apothem times perimeter. Let's do it. 1/2. The apothem, 866. The perimeter, 60. There it is. 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. Nice. 259.8. Okay. 259.8. 259.8. What about units? It is area. Then it better be centimeters squared on that one. Okay, let's go to our last one here. Okay, here we go. Now, let's see what I give you on this one. That's not the apothem. That's not a side length, okay? It's the distance from the center to the corner. So let's go step by step. First of all, let's do central angle, okay? Here we go. There we go. It's an octagon. So I see a circle at the center, 360 degrees. Break it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. There it is. You got 45 degrees for every one of those central angles. They're 45 degrees. There we go. Okay, nice. Nice. Boom, let's put that in our answer slot. Okay, 45 degrees for a central. How about the perimeter? Well, I got to work on this. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at this triangle right now. There it is. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm cut it in half. There it is. Okay, that's going to be my apothem. Okay, hey, what's half of 45? 22.5 there, 22.5 there. I'm going to put my I right here. I'm going to call this X and X. For right now, I'm going to look at this triangle. That's the triangle I'm looking at, the blue one. Your eye is on the 22.5. Okay? I need a couple things. I need the X and I need the A. Let's get the X first, okay? I'm going to do opposite and hypotenuse. See, the 6 meters is the hypotenuse of the blue triangle. So opposite and hypotenuse. What trig function is that? Yeah, that's sine. Sine of 22.5 degrees equals opposite is X, hypotenuse is 6. Let's do it. Sine of 22.5. Sine 22.5, nice, 0.3826. 0.3826 equals X over 6. Let me double check that sine of 22.5. Yep, 3826, that was good. Okay, good. What are you going to do next on our little algebra problem? Yeah, multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. Here's our X now. Okay, here we go. Multiply it by 6. Great. 229. Let's go 230. Okay. 230. Now, look at our X. Our X right here, 230. This is 230. This is 230. We want the whole side. The whole side's going to be 460. Let's get the perimeter. There are 8 sides on an octagon. Each side on this one is 460. So let's go ahead and do that. 8 times 460. 8 times 460. Nice. 36.8. 36. 36.8. There it is. That's our perimeter. Let's put that in. 36.8. Can I make that? There we go. 36.8. What about the units? Well, the units here were meters, so yeah, perimeter is going to be meters also. We need to figure out that apothem, okay? Let's get this out of here for right now. Let's get that apothem. You could do Pythagorean theorem, or you could do a trig. I tell you what, let's do Pythagorean theorem. We haven't done that in a while. Okay, here we go. Look at the blue triangle. I see 230 squared plus a squared equals 6 squared. 230 squared plus a squared equals 6 squared. Okay, Pythagorean theorem on the blue triangle. Okay, first of all, 230 and square it. There it is, 529. Good, 529 plus a squared equals 36 minus 529 here, minus 529 here. A squared equals, let's do that, 36 minus 529, good, 3071, 3071, square root, here it is, this is the apothem now, the square root of that 3071, the square root of 3071, nice, 554, 554, that's our apothem. Now we got everything we need. Here it is. Area of a regular polygon is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. 1/2. That apothem, 554. The perimeter, 36/8. Let's multiply right across. Here we go. We've got 1/2 times 554 times the perimeter, 36/8. There it is. 1/2 apothem times perimeter. Final answer, 101.94. Okay, 101.94. Let's put it up here. 101.94. How about units? It is area. Yep, there it is, meters squared. That wraps up going over quiz 11.1, 11.3. All you out there in video land, have a good day.